Introducing the latest and greatest addition to the Redmi family, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G. This smartphone packs a punch with its sleek design and impressive specs that are sure to make it stand out from the rest. First up, let's talk about the build of this device. With its Android 12 operating system and MIUI 13 user interface, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G boasts a slim and stylish design that fits comfortably in your hand. It measures 162.9 by 76 by 9 mm and weighs only 208 grams, making it easy to carry around with you wherever you go. This phone also supports dual SIM cards, so you can keep your personal and work life separate without needing to carry two phones. And with its wide range of colors to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect one to suit your style. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G is powered by an octa-core processor with a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset and Mali G68MC4 GPU. With this kind of processing power, you'll be able to multitask with ease and run all your favorite apps without any lag. But what really sets this phone apart is its stunning 6.67-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen display, which boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with a pixel density of 395 ppi. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and can reach a brightness of up to 900 nits, making it perfect for streaming your favorite movies and shows. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G also has an impressive 256 GB of built-in storage and 8 or 12 GB of RAM, so you can store all your photos, videos, and files without worrying about running out of space. And if you need even more storage, you can expand it further with a dedicated microSD slot. But what about the camera? The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G features a triple camera setup on the back, including a whopping 200 megapixel main camera with f1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 megapixel macro camera. With features like PDF, OIS, and dual LED dual-tone flash, you can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. And on the front, there's a 16 megapixel wide camera for all your selfies and video calls. It also supports 5G connectivity, so you can enjoy lightning-fast download and upload speeds on the go. And let's not forget about the battery. With its 5000 mAh non-removable battery, you can use your phone all day long without worrying about running out of juice. And with fast charging capabilities of up to 120 watts, you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 19 minutes. Overall, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G is an impressive smartphone that is sure to impress. With its sleek design, powerful specs, and advanced features, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone that won't break the bank. So why wait? Get your hands on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G today and take your mobile experience to the next level.